I love cranberry sauce. I love how orangey it is, but with this recipe, I also love how gingery it is. It's really easy to make, and you're gonna find out how. So if you check the description, you'll see the exact amounts for this recipe. You start by zesting oranges, about 3 oranges, and put it into a pot. And then you're gonna juice those 3 oranges, and you should wind up with about 1 cup of orange juice. It's okay if you have a little more. This recipe doesn't have to be perfectly exact. And I pour that into the pot as well. And then 2 bags of cranberries. So yeah, this is a huge batch of cranberry sauce. I make this for Thanksgiving and then I use it again later for Friendsgiving. Now candied ginger is what gives this cranberry sauce its amazing kick. I got this at Winco and it's actually pretty cheap if you buy it in bulk. And you want to chop that with a knife. This is 2 cups total of candied ginger. Yeah, we're not messing around here. Triple sec. It is an orange liqueur. So you add also a cup of triple sec to your liquid. Now I did this out of order. I'm supposed to add the ginger and the brown sugar in different stages. If you look at the recipe in the description, you'll see. But it worked out just fine. All that really matters is that all the sugar is stirred into the liquid before everything gets too heated. I put the crystallized ginger in there as well off camera while you weren't looking. And as you can see, it'll start to simmer a little bit and you want to cook it for about 10 minutes. Once it's simmered, the cranberries will pop and the sauce will start to thicken. It won't be super thick when it's hot, so just note that. It will get thicker as it cools down. But as you can see, it's a pretty simple, forgiving process. You stir the second half of the crystallized ginger in at the very end so that it will have more bite. Ginger in that state tends to lose its flavor if it's cooked too much, which is why you add some of it at the end. And that's it. That's just really the best cranberry sauce I have ever had, homemade or otherwise, and I hope you give it a try.